There are a number of tools that assist users in the creation of individualized pages in Wittie. In this video, you will be given a brief description of each of these tools in order to understand how each tool can be used as a valuable classroom asset. The Book Designer tool in Wittie allows users to create their own books without having to know how to link multiple web pages. The Book Designer template walks users through the process of creating a title page that contains multiple chapters and subpages. By simply clicking on New Book, you can name your book and add chapter headings. Under each chapter, you can add multiple subpages. After you have finished the book's layout, you publish the book and can begin adding content to each page. After clicking Publish, you will be directed to a page that contains a list of all the links that you have created. To view your overall book, simply click on the last link. As you can see here, we have just created an entirely new book in Wittie in less than a minute. Using Semantic Media Wiki, book administrators can create various types of forms. Here is an example of a user page form. When the information is completed, it creates an information box for the user. Next, we have the peer review form, which students use to review one another's work. The page author can respond to the reviews received by their peers by completing the next form, which is called the peer review feedback form. Administrators can create these forms and information boxes to suit their individual project goals. The peer review tool allows students and faculty members to make comments, suggestions, and compliments on the pages created in Wittie. The rating system within the peer review tool allows students and other users to assign a numeric rating to each page. These ratings can be used in many ways, such as editing drafts, assigning grades, or choosing articles for compilations of classroom samples. The page's creator can see the reviews both given and received by clicking on the My Reviews tab. This particular article received several excellent reviews. As you can see, the peer review tool is a simple way for students to both give and receive helpful feedback on their work. The Barnstar tool in Wittie is a type of reward system for exemplary work. Students can award each other Barnstars in a variety of areas such as content, creativity, design, multimedia, and editing. This particular article received a number of Barnstars. As you can see, students are able to leave specific comments for the author. Barnstars are a unique way for students to recognize each other's individual areas of talent. The Rich Text Editor tool allows students to format their pages in Wittie without having to use special coding. Here is an example of what a wiki page looks like when you edit it in the standard Media Wiki editor. After clicking the Rich Editor tab, here is what the edit page looks like using the Rich Text Editor. As you can see, this tool allows the creator to edit their page while viewing the page as it will appear to other users. This provides a simple way for novice users to create unique pages without having to worry about making coding errors. The Poll tool in Wittie allows students to receive valuable feedback from their peers. Students can create unique questions and answer choices based on their needs. Here, a student chose to create a poll that assessed whether or not her multimedia project on teen pregnancy represented varying perspectives. Creating a poll in Wittie is simple and easy, and students can use the feedback for formative assessment purposes. This feedback will allow students to modify their projects in order to better meet users' needs. The Rubric tool will allow students to design their very own rubrics in several ways. Students can select from pre-existing scales for criteria, or they can create their own scales for criteria. Here we see the interactive rubric creator that students will be using. After they have completed the building process, the rubric will appear to reviewers in the form of several poll questions. The Rubric tool is an advanced feedback system that both students and faculty can use in a variety of ways.